What's up guys, this is Tommy. Now today I received a big package. It's so big. Guess what is it? Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. There is another box inside of the big box. Well, look at the Challenger manual, the stickers, the car, and I guess this is a controller, the transmitter. Use 3S to 8S level. The motor is so big. It's 5688 non-censored brushless motor. Let's look at the bottom of the Challenger. It's a big plate. It's all metal. You can disassemble the motor from here quickly. Just 3 screws. And the Challenger uses a 45 kilograms big servo. And the double wishbone independent suspension. The solid axial dependent suspension. And the universal shafts are all metal. And you can see here the double EC5 plugs. And even the 2 4-size spare tires. It's not a decoration. It's not decorations. You can change the tires when the tires worn. The Challenger has 3 differentials: rear, front, and the middle. It's so perfect. Now let's look at the instruments. The wheel range, the 4-wheel range, and the 4L type range. There are also 2 backup pieces, but I don't know what to do with them. Here you can see the Challenger's manual. It's all English. You can easily understand it. The Flat Sky GD3B transmitter. It's a little bit heavy. I have 5 Flat Sky transmitter. It's so cheap, but they're reliable.